look at this.
Oh, man.
Here we go again. This is a dream.
My name is John Rude.
Josh Gold.
I'm Dustin Frisk.
And I'm Courtney Frisk, and this is why we drive.
Hi, I'm Kyle Smith with Hagerty.
Hello, this is David Recca with Hagerty.
I'm Matt Lewis, and in today's DIY, we're going to be talking about wire gauge. So this I'm going to demonstrate what happens when a thin wire gets too much current. You smoked the tires of the whole 8th mile?
I've rented a wide open runway, and I'm here to find out, essentially, will the Corvair kill me?